Hi there and welcome to this X8R video demonstrating the install of our improved design Jaguar door handle gasket. This gasket is suitable for many Jaguars manufactured between 1994 to 2006, such as the XJR, XKR, X300 and others. It is also suitable for coupe and convertibles and both left and right-hand drive models. The original gasket on the door handle is made from plastic, which becomes brittle and breaks over time. The seal will then allow dirt and water ingress into the interior of the door card, which can ultimately affect the electrics. It also looks poor if the seal is broken around the exterior of the door handle. In order to install our gasket, you will need to strip down the door cards to access the inside of the doors. Firstly, disconnect the battery as this will stop the handle from automatically lowering the window from the upright position. Remove the rubber tray from the interior armrest. And using a Phillips screwdriver, undo the screws that are underneath. Using a trim removal tool, gently pry back the leather trim next to the switch pack. And again, using a Phillips screwdriver, undo the screw that's behind it. Remove the switch pack and disconnect the electrical connector. Remove the plastic bung from the center of the interior door handle surround to expose the screw. Undo this and pry off the surround. After this, it's time to remove the door card, and it is worth familiarizing yourself with the locations of the clips behind the door card, as demonstrated in this photo. We recommend working from the bottom corner where the speaker surround is, and working your way around anti-clockwise from the bottom of the door card back round to the speaker. Disconnect the electrical plug on the door card light and remove the door card. Locate the two bolts inside the door on the back of the exterior door handle and remove them. And finally, pull the door handle away from the door and gently lift it away from the level mechanism. This is the original door handle gasket. As you can see, it is snapped in places and has become very brittle and worn, which has caused a water leak. The water ingress was causing the top spring on the handle mechanism to rust and may eventually cause it to seize. Remove the old gasket. It may need to be cut away if it has become too brittle to move out of place. This is our new and improved design gasket made from closed-cell foam. The design is much simpler for an easy install and longevity. Closed-cell foam is water-resistant and provides a better seal than the rubber seal originally used. Fit the gasket to the handle. You can fix it in place using the RTV sealant included in our kit, but this is optional. Fit the handle back onto the vehicle and fit all the components removed from the door and door card. As you can see, our gasket firmly seals the door handle and prevents any water ingress into the door. Thank you for watching this X8R video. This kit is now available to purchase from our website www.x8r.co.uk, and for more information, please contact us on the email or the telephone number on the screen.